Hi, how to replace the cartridge in an HP LaserJet Pro printer? Before swapping out the cartridge, be sure to recognize the indicators signaling it's time for a change. If the orange cartridge icon is lit and lighting, it indicates that the cartridge is empty. If there's no flashing icon but you notice a significant drop in print quality, it's advisable to check the toner level. There are two ways to handle this task. First, check the ink level in your printer cartridge using the app on your smartphone. Download and open HP Smart for accurate ink status. Locate your printer in the list of available devices, then click to select it. If the toner level is running low, a message will appear on the screen alerting you. You can also open the HP Smart program on your computer. Here you will see the toner level of your printer, whether it is low or normal. To check the current cartridge status, navigate to the printer settings. To access comprehensive details about cartridge refilling and printed page count, navigate to the advanced settings and choose device status for a complete overview. Here you will find more information about the level of supplies. Before replacing the cartridge, ensure you power off your printer completely and disconnect it from the power source. Open the top cover of the printer and carefully remove the toner cartridge by gently sliding it out. Unpack the new cartridge and carefully shake it to evenly distribute the toner particles inside for optimal printing performance. Remove the protective cover and protective ring. Insert the cartridge into the printer. Safely close the printer cover after installing a new cartridge. The cartridge icon will stop glowing. Thanks for watching. For additional helpful printer tips, check out our playlist. If you liked the video, subscribe to ensure our channel appears first in search results for troubleshooting.